Hello guys, Pablo here. Welcome to this new lesson. If we look at an article page, you're going to see that there are certain elements on the right side in this case, but they might be located in other places of the post. These things are called widgets. They can be links, search bars, or any piece of HTML and JavaScript that you want to append in this area. In this lesson, we're going to look into creating our own widgets, understanding how they work. So we're going to keep on working on the same example that we used previously, where we added metadata to our post so that we could add custom YouTube video links to our posts. So basically what this does, it allows you to add a video link onto your post. And what we will build by using this will be a widget in our post that will show a YouTube video on the side with the link that we previously provided. So you need to have the Zenva video widgets plugin activated and open the same files that we used previously, which is Zenva video widget.php. All widgets follow the same logic. We need to create a special object for our widget, give it certain methods that are always the same for all widgets, and then we need to initiate or register this widget. Once we register it, it will show in the widget appearance widget page. So let's look at this new object that we'll be working with. Let's just call it widget class. And it'll be a class. You need to give it a prefix as usual, just to avoid all sorts of naming conflicts. And this class will extend the WP widget class, which comes with WordPress, and it's the core class for all widgets. So the methods that this thing will have are: we have our constructor first, which will take care of settings. Like we will add several options to our widget in here, such as the description, the class and ID for the CSS. Then we also need to define a method that will show the form in the appearance widgets page. So if you look at all of these widgets, they all have a form. This one has just one field, this one has 3 fields. So all of this form is defined in the form method. So it will be show widget form in appearance widget. This one's called function form, and the argument that it takes is an instance of the current widget we're working with. Now, the other method that we'll need is called update, and it's used to save the widget form. So this will be executed once you press save, and this has 2 arguments: the new values and the old values. And whatever you return from this method will be what's going to be saved. The other one is just to show the widget in the post or page, and that one's called just widget. It has some arguments and an instance of the widget itself. So this is the basic structure of a widget, and in order to register it, we just have to add another action to register our widgets. This will be called, we'll be calling the widget init hook, and we just need to give it a method name that will be executed. Widget init is an event that's triggered when WordPress is initiating all of the widgets. So that's where you need to append your code to. We'll just write register widgets here, function, and we'll call a function called register widgets widget, and we'll give it the object name that we'll be registering. So this code is the basic code that you need to create a new widget.